Welcome to kind of an in-between episode on the Ducati Monster, which I'm calling Ducati Ghost. Now you've seen where it's up to so far. If my episodes are all in order, then we'll have done the aluminium CNC last. You've seen the new colour, you've seen the body. Next thing I need, shocks. Obviously it's got the standard shocks on it. Not good. Number one, I know. We're going to swap these out for some TFX, and I have them here. I have my TFX box. So this is custom made, as is everything that they do. Everything is custom made to an order. So you give them, like with a lot of proper shock places, TFX being one of them, you give your height, weight, everything that you need, riding style, bike, everything. They will create you the most perfect shock. Now for those of you not familiar with TFX, if you're looking for suspension, I can't recommend anyone better than these. Now they do specialize more so in off-road suspension. However, having said that, they are also experts on on-road. So it gives you that peace of mind that whether you're building an off-road bike or a track bike, these guys know exactly what they're talking about. Now, there's different things that a shock absorber company does to split themselves up from the everyday players and the big boys. TFX have everything narrowed down to perfection. Build quality, handling, reputation, everything that you need. So I have gone for the 141 shock, which has got the external reservoir. The reason being is because I don't think I can actually fit a shock with a reservoir here. Now there are shocks without reservoirs, but you know what? I kind of like it. So I've chosen the external reservoir. I'm going to have that mounted on the frame because I want to make a feature of the shock. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I've been looking forward to this for so long. So TFX have set me up with a custom shock for the Ducati Ghost. Here's the Ducati Monster, we're calling it the Ghost. It's gonna go right there. So this shock, I don't know what it is. I mean, I don't even know if this is an Öhlins, no idea. I mean, that's my guess because it's a yellow spring, but apart from that, I've got no idea. But anyway, it's old, it's 25 years old now. And to be honest, yeah, it serves its purpose, but I can do better. I can do TFX better. So let's have a look at this. Got a booklet, and I've got the adjustment tool there. So within the owner's manual, oh look at that. My own personal settings. Rebound is set to 15, low speed 15, high speed 12, and spring preload. So that's great. So this is made personal for me because of my height and weight and everything that I have. I will read a bit more of that afterwards. But let's have a look at the shock. I mean, it's neatly packed. I will give it that. I can't actually see much in here. So I have a shock I can see. It's a tiny shock. Obviously these boxes are universal, so you can put a twin shock in there, you can put the full length if you want. Because my shock on that is small, this is small. Small and neat and tidy. I have some springs here. I've opted for an external reservoir for me because I've got certain issues in here. There's not much room there at all for like reservoirs which are included in it. Also I've got the tank going there, but I have opted for the external reservoir which goes there. And the external reservoir going to sit just neatly there. Perfect. And because I've got the external reservoir, I've got this. Some Jubilee clips and some rubber bungs as well to put it on the frame. Oh, the smell of it is beautiful. Oh, that is just wicked. That is absolutely wicked. Thank you so much, TFX. This, oh, honestly, this has made my day. The build of it, I mean, first of all, the weight of it. It feels sturdy, but at the same time, it's light. The build quality of it is second to none. Perfectly, I mean, I'm guessing CNC'd. I can see a few CNC marks on there. Perfectly created, perfect finish. It's in a black satin finish. It's got the classic It's got the signature TFX blue at the bottom here. Now I did request for that to be on there because I'm really proud to be having a TFX Shock on this. So I wanted everyone to know exactly what it was. So there's a signature blue on there, but fair play to Haan, the guys there. They did ask me if I wanted to custom colour myself, but do you know what? Credit to being able to show a brand, I wanted them to have their colours on it. Perfect. So the measurements I did give to the guys over at TFX was exactly what banjo position I needed, what banjo option I needed, the length of this hose, and also where I wanted that. But this is a swivel banjo, as I can see. I don't know how they do that, but it does swivel. That's just brilliant. I thought that was going to be stuck in place, but it's not. And here I've got all the dampener settings. I've got the high speed and low speed settings, and I've also got the adjuster down there as well, and also the spring length. Perfect, perfection, absolute perfection. Look at that. I am proudly going to leave that TFX badge on here because I want everyone to see what shock it is. And it's on the back here. Proudly sporting the TFX brand colours as well. Absolutely happy to leave those on. So like I said, this is the 141, which has got the external reservoir. You've got the 130, specifically BMW as well, which doesn't have the reservoir. You've got the 132s, which do have the reservoir attached to them. They also come in twin shocks and everything, so please check the site, see what fits your bike. Most importantly, these guys are experts at actually creating the most perfect custom shock to you. So if there's anything that you need, just reach out to them, they'll be able to sort you out straight away. Custom made from high strength aluminium, integrated seal with low Teflon back, an adjustable rebound spring for up to 40 clicks. So you've got that complete spectrum of adjustability that you need. And there's an oversized 16mm shaft that goes there as well, so it can take any pounding that you're going to give the bike. So as I said, head over to their website, see what there is. No doubt they'll be able to create a shock that's made for your bike. If it's not even on the website, just send them a message, give them the specs, and they'll be able to price it out for you. But out of every single shock absorber producer I know, these get a full thumbs up from me.